Juliet, welcome to my channel or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a updated room tour. I know I just did one of these, but it was literal trash and I changed up a bunch of things in my room since because I'm addicted to changing it. So let's just get into the video. Alright, so we're going to start with my door first. I have this little holder thing for my hoodies and it's from Five Below. Just have zip ups, hoodies, whatnot, pretty basic. That's all to it. And then if you go to the left, like it's a tour or something, I have my mini fridge. And on it, I have this little Polaroid. And if you open up the fridge, I have a lot of water and just random things, candy, you know. Then we're gonna go back to the right, and I have this cubicle little shelf thing here. Super nice for organization. And in the first one, I have my scrunchies. This little basket is from Marshall's. And then over here, I have this candle, which smells so good. It's coconut cream pie from Bath & Body Works. And then I have this little Eiffel Tower, which is from the dollar store. You can find some nice things at the dollar store. And then over here, I have this fake plant from Marshall's. And then just this little box that is from Walmart. And this whole cubicle is from Walmart as well. And then this little sign, which I'm not sure where it's from, but it says, "Welcome to our beautiful chaos." Then I have another cubicle thing. And in this one, don't judge me. Yes, it's all Bath & Body Works. I have a problem. It's filled to the tippy top and it's very heavy. We're not gonna talk about it. And then in this one, I have snacks, Polaroid camera, Polaroids, these wall plug things, which I should probably not have with my food, but you know, living on edge, they're pretty much poison, but yeah, it's fine, it's fine. So there's that, and as you can see, my LED lights go around here. They're pretty much along this whole wall, so I'll show you that. And then over here, I have this intercom thing, pretty boring. I don't even know if it works, but yeah. And then I have these vines, which are from Dorm Vibes, but you can really get these anywhere. Super cute. I have my TV, you can see me, hi. And then my dresser, which I will not be opening, but yeah. All my clothes are in there pretty much. Then over here, I have this little shelf thing, which I just got from Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, don't know where it's actually from, but it's really cute. And I put this plant from Marshall's on it. It is fake, but it looks so cool. I don't know, just like the vibes. Then I have this little plant. It's pretty cool. I think it's from Von Moore, not really sure. And then my camera charger. And then the LED clicker thingy. But as you can see, the LEDs go all the way around here. Super cool. And I can change the colors from here and whatnot. But I like this like purpley blue color. So there's that. And then I have my tripods here. Don't really use them, but yeah, there they are. Then I have my lamp, which a light bulb just burnt out, so I took it out, but yeah. I need to get a new lamp, but I need to find one with all these bulbs because it's really good lighting, actually. Then I have this trash can and this mirror from Dorm Vibes, which is so cute. Like, look at the lights. That's so cool. And then I have my purse under here. There's the mirror again. And then I have my curtains, which are just sheer curtains, and I think they're from Walmart. Pretty sure. And then over here in this little corner, sorry, my carpet is so disgusting. And I have this little rug that my sister got for me, which I think it's from Wayfair. Could be wrong, but yeah. Then in this little corner, I have this same end table that I have over there. I have my school computer, and then its charger, my blue light glasses, this little dish thing, which is actually from the dollar store. And then I just keep all my favorite like jewelry things. And then another one of these little plant things. Then I have my wall plug, Bath & Body Works. Then my lights, my twinkle lights from Dorm Vibes. So cute, obsessed. They have so many different settings. Like, yeah. I just keep them on steady, cause I don't know. But yeah, super cute. So there's that. And then we have my bed, which is the main part of everything. And I have my glasses case on there because I was wiping off my camera lens, but we're not gonna talk about it. So there's the bed. I got my bed from Amazon. Actually, don't buy it because it's literally crap, but you pay for what you get, am I right? So this is my bedding, which is from Dorm Vibes, super cute. As you can see, like, the frills. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. And then I have these 2 pillows from Marshall's. And then back here, I have this body pillow from Target. And then my phone and stuff. And then I have these duvet covers that came with the bedspread from Dorm Vibes. And then over here, I have my other dresser, which doesn't really have that much in it, but I'm not gonna show it. Oh my gosh, I literally cleaned up for this video and then I took things out, whatever. All right, so this is what the top of the dresser looks like. I have this little thing from Marshall's and then a candle from Bath & Body Works, my CarMaxes and stuff. This little pot here thing used to have a plant in it, so yeah. And then my Apple Watch, my TV remote, this coaster, this lamp from IKEA, which was a disaster to put together, but I do like it. And then this little jewelry holder from Dorm Vibes, super cute. And you can see me. And I just put all my faves, like other faves. I know I had jewelry over there, but just my simple necklaces and stuff like that, and a couple of rings. And then we have my closet. Sorry, I'm so out of breath, you guys. Like, I need to get fit. But this is my closet. I'm not opening it because it's literally a wreck. But on here I have pictures that I printed out from Amazon. Super cute. I love them. There's just a pop of pink in here. I might change them and put, like, I don't know, different colors, but for now they're super cute. And then I have masks here, you know, stay safe. Then I have this mirror right here. Hey. And on top of it, I have this little painting my cousin made for us. It's me and her and puppy Rufus and baby Gibby. And then this plant. Wait, what? It's not a plant. This pineapple from the dollar store. And then if you open this up, it's a wreck. But yeah, I do have some stuff in there, so yeah. These look very questionable, but they are fingers that you can put nails on. Yeah. They're very weird. I don't know. I wanted to practice acrylics. But yeah, this is the room. We got through it, you guys. I have a very small room, but I try to decorate every little bit. Here's a little overview of everything. That's what it looks like. I probably did this all in the wrong order, but there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed. And this is what it looks like with the lights off. These lights are pretty bright. And then, yeah. All right, you guys, so that is my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything I missed out and didn't say where it was from, just comment down below and I will answer you guys. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching.